Hey, what's up? It's Aaron, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make your very first affiliate sales step by step, okay? So make sure you subscribe, you save this video, and grab a pen and a piece of paper because I'm literally going to show you step by step. So just a bit of proof before I go on to the steps. I just want to show you that, I've actually done this before, right? So I've made $455,000 selling somebody else's affiliate digital product. This is just one example. Here's me selling another one, affiliate program, not my own program, $59,000 there. And this is somebody else's one as well, $141,000, okay? Now, I'm going to show you how to make your very first sale. So these are obviously really big numbers, but it all starts with this exact process right here, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to find a product. So we're going to head over to Digistore24, which is one of the networks that you can use. Now, there are many networks like Digistore24. There's ClickBank, there's JVZoo, there's Warrior Plus. You can literally just go to Google or ChatGPT and type out top affiliate networks in the world, and they'll give you a list of 20 or 30 of them, okay? This is just an example. Now, if you've never done this before, come here and just click on Get Started, create a free account, all right? So Digistore24 is a German affiliate network. They are available internationally, right? I've already logged in. And once I log in, I'm going to come to Affiliate and Partners, and I'm going to go to Marketplace, okay? Now, with this particular Marketplace, you can see that they've got a lot of products. I like to sell digital products. Now, you can sell physical stuff too, but physical stuff, generally, the commissions are very low. So I like to sell digital stuff, okay? And I'm in the business and investment space. So, there's all sorts of different niches here. You pick whatever niche you like. And then I would go to business and investment, for example, in this particular example, right? And I want to scale it by how much you can earn, okay? That's very important because I want to earn big commissions. I don't want to earn small commissions. Now, the biggest ones right here, again, you have to obviously come in here, do your research, find a good program, right? But maybe something like Freedom Breakthrough, all right? Obviously, you have to do your research, figure out a little bit more. You can go to the affiliate support page, have a look at what this is exactly, right? I know this guy right here, he's a very popular marketer. So maybe I want to market his particular program, okay? Because I know that he offers good stuff. So in order for me to do that, I would just come here, I would sign up, okay? John Montoya's link, and I would click on copy promo link. Okay, now that I copied the promo link, I just want to show you where it is. I'm going to paste it on my browser. This is my exact affiliate link. So if somebody comes here and buys through this page right here, right, then I am going to make commissions, okay, which is very cool, all right? Now, we're not going to just promote this everywhere because that's how a lot of people promote and that's how they don't make money, okay? So what you don't want to do is you don't want to just spam this link everywhere, all right? It's about building a system, and I'm going to show you how to build that system right now, okay? So the first thing that you need is you need a capture page. You need something that captures somebody's emails and then send them through a step-by-step process where you get to build a relationship with them, all right? So we're going to save this link for now. I'm going to leave it right here. Okay, mine is this one, right? This long little link right there. And I'm going to go and build out my capture page right now. So you can use any funnel builder you want. I like to use ClickFunnels. There's systems like System.io, there's Lead Pages, there's quite a few of them out there, but I like ClickFunnels, right? So I'm just going to show you the capture page that I built, okay? So I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to give you an example, right? I know that we are focused on a, business make money type of opportunity, but this is one of the example capture pages that I built for the weight loss space. So just imagine that this message was about business and making money from home, right? I would just change the message here. And what happens is somebody's going to land on this page, and if they want to get, to learn this particular thing, they would click here and they would opt in and they would leave their email address, and then I would collect their email in what's called an autoresponder, okay? So we want to follow up with them. There's a lot of great autoresponders out there. I use GetResponse. You can use Aweber. You can use Kartra. There's so many out there, right? Just pick one, link it up with your funnel builder, your capture page, okay? Because building a database of emails is the best way to follow up with people, all right? Now, the next thing is you don't want to send people straight to the sales page right after this. That's what a lot of people teach. If you do that, you're not going to make sales. What you need to do instead is you need to teach people how to get that particular result without necessarily selling them something first, okay? Now, I do that through what I call a value page. Now, a value page can look something like this, okay? So in this example, we're teaching them how to make money with affiliate marketing because that's the product that I'm promoting, John Montoya's product is about making money through affiliate marketing. So I'm going to create a little page right here where it's me on a video and I literally train them for the next 5 to 10 minutes about how affiliate marketing works and how they can get started, okay? Now, if you don't want to show your face, you don't necessarily have to do that. You can create any style of video. This could be, you know, a whiteboard style video. It could be AI, it can be animation, it can be a PowerPoint presentation. It can be anything, animation, cartoon style. So I like to show my face, but you don't necessarily have to make this work. But what you do have to do is you have to offer value. You have to teach your audience how to do that thing without them necessarily having to buy the full program, okay? So you really do want to add value. Teach people, give them the wow. You don't necessarily have to give them the step-by-step, but you do want to give them value to get them closer to their goals, okay? So what's gonna happen is someone's gonna consume this video and they're gonna get value, they're gonna get to know, like, and trust me a bit more. And when they're ready, if they want to buy the program, they can click here. Now this link right here, when they click on it, is going to lead to my affiliate link. It's gonna lead to Freedom Breakthrough. Okay, so it's kind of like this. They come through the value, they click on this link, they come through the Freedom Breakthrough, and now they trust me enough to buy the thing that I'm recommending. And that's how they end up buying this affiliate link, and that's how I end up making commissions. Okay, now that you've got the capture page, you've got the structure, how do you get people to see this capture page? That's very, very important, okay? And you have to learn how to get attention, right? Now, I get attention in a few different ways. One of the ways that I get attention is through Instagram. And this right here is my Instagram channel, all right? And what I do on Instagram is I upload content every single day, and I basically talk about my particular industry. So I talk about business, I talk about making money, I talk about how you can quit your full-time job, because that's my space, right? But it depends on what you're selling. So for example, if you're, you know, here and you're selling something completely different, like maybe you're doing languages or you're doing home and garden, health and fitness, that's what you would be talking about on your channel, okay? Giving value, getting attention, learning how to do it well on all of these different platforms, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, whatever it is, right? So what happens is somebody sees this, you know, 3,000 views right here, someone will see it, and then they're interested in the thing, and I say, hey, you know, if you want to learn how to do this comment formula, and I'll send you some training. And then I send them a DM on the back end, and it leads them back to my capture page that you saw earlier. They opt in, they become an email lead, and then my system follows up with them. They go through my value sequence, and then people will click on the link, and some people will buy the thing that I'm promoting. That's basically it, okay? That's how this works, all right? So if you're wondering exactly how the structure works, this is how you would make your first sale, okay? Now, I want to mention something. Don't make the mistake of trying to shortcut the process by basically just spamming your affiliate links. That's how you're gonna fail, okay? What I showed you earlier, my results, where I generated whatever, $300,000, $400,000, right? $121,000. That was all through this type of structure. It's going to require a little bit more work. You're going to have to build out a few things a little bit more. But when you end up doing this, this is how you get people to know, like, and trust you. It's going to be less spammy. It's going to be less salesy. And the last thing somebody wants to do is buy something from a salesy person, all right? People love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. So if you want to build out something that actually works, save this video, watch this again, all right? And this is exactly how you can make your very first sale and go from your first sale to your first $1,000, your first $10,000, your first $50,000, your first $100,000. And literally this structure right here can change your life. All right, let me know if you got some value. I want to hear it in the comment sections below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. And if you want to learn how to do this entire thing that I just showed you step by step, literally over the shoulder, I've got a masterclass that shows you how to do it. It's in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.